Hello. Hi. So this is actually my favorite part of making kombucha because you can go really crazy with the flavoring. That's the exciting part. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you how I bottle my kombucha and flavor them. I really hope you guys enjoy them. So yeah.
Here are the items we need for first fermentation. First of all, we need a successful batch of first fermentation kombucha. If you haven't made it yet, please click on the link in the description below. Next, you need your juice for flavoring. It can be any juices you want. Here I have lemon juice with ginger and orange juice. You also need a good glass bottles. In this video, I'm going to put them into two different bottles, which are a cap lock bottle and a bottle that I'm going to reuse from buying soy sauce. I'm not sure if this bottle can keep enough carbonation, but it's a good quality of glass. We'll see. Next, we also need a funnel, a cup to pour the liquid in the glass bottles. Last, I have measuring jugs to save out some first fermentation kombucha as a starter tea for my next batch, and a bowl to put my SCOBY in it. Let's get started. Now, let's first get the SCOBY out of the way. This is how the SCOBY looks like, and it's kinda ugly. Now we're gonna put the first fermentation in a measuring jug. It's easier to use the measuring jug so you can see the amount you need for the next batch. Now I'm gonna put in the juice. I'm putting the lemon juice with ginger first. I don't want to put that much because it's gonna be really strong. So I think in this case I put quarter in there. Okay, I have to open the cover because some of the fiber is stuck. If you hate having the fiber in your drinks, you can always sieve it, but make sure your sieve is not made out of metal. Now I'm gonna put in the orange juice. Okay, it's not working. I need to get something to put the plugs in. Anyway, I usually put more orange juice in this one because the juice is not that strong of a taste. In this case, I put about 1/3 of it. Okay, now I'm gonna put the kombucha from the first fermentation. Look how much bubble is in there. Anyway, don't fill the bottle to the max because it's gonna ferment even more and it will release some air, and the liquid in the bottle will rise up too. Just get those in there. Finally, we close the lids. And it's done! Here we go, our second fermentation, also known as flavoring. Just keep this for 3 days outside and then keep them in the chiller. Remember to burp your kombucha by opening the bottle cap every day before you put them in the chiller on the 3rd day.
You don't see much of the fizziness coming out, but you can see like a little bubble popping out right there. I assume there are some, but there's not much. So let's just try this out. You can see there's some bubble there, so I hope that it tastes like fizzy drinks. I'm actually really satisfied with this, and it's just a little bit more sour because it's lemon. And as for the fizziness, it's not as much as normal gassy drink that you can get, but it's acceptable. Yeah, you can feel like a little bit, but not much. But if you like fizziness, I suggest you to get the lock one, but you just have to be really careful with it because it can explode. It happened to me, so just be careful. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.